Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk to you about the hazards and benefits of a rare earth metal. That metal is lithium. According to Connor from periodictable.org, written in 2020, lithium was discovered in 1817 by Swedish chemist Johann August Arfvedson. The word lithium is derived from the Greek word lithos, meaning stone. Connor also states that lithium is a silvery white metal that is the lightest metal on the periodic table. Lithium is so light that it floats on water. Lithium is an important element that we will be growing more heavily dependent on than fossil fuels, but it comes at a bit of a cost. This is what I'll be discussing with you today. First, I would like to share with you a brief history of lithium and its past uses. As mentioned earlier, lithium was discovered in 1817. According to an article on thechemical-elements.com titled Lithium, it wasn't until 1818 that it was successfully extracted by William Thomas Brandy and Sir Humphrey Davy. In an article written by Mendelsohn in 2020 and published in Psychology Today, 54 years after its discovery, William A. Hammond was credited for the discovery of treating bipolar disorder with lithium in 1871. So we talked about the past. Next, I would like to explain where we are today with its production and usefulness. There are two main sources for lithium production. As stated in mining.com's article titled The World's 10 Lithium Mining Companies, Top 10 Lithium Mining Companies, Australia is the leader with respect to mining lithium, and Chile is the leader with respect to saltwater brine extraction. According to the U.S. Geological Survey database, there are only 20 lithium deposits in the U.S., 20 significant deposits in the U.S., and the U.S. only produces about 50% of its consumption each year. This is done with one mine as of 2018 that is located in Nevada. The largest portion of the lithium produced goes to consumer products. These products consist of cordless power tools, smartphones, laptops, and automobiles. The largest demand recently has been from the automotive industry. This is largely because of the Paris Accord. They are using lithium because of its energy to weight ratio and because you can get 10 times the amount of charge cycles as any other of the current options. Also, lithium is preferred because of its slow discharge and quick recharge rates. Also, I would like to discuss with you is the hazards involved with lithium. NIRA published an article on UCLA's website that states that the largest problem with lithium is the extraction process. The processes are completely unsustainable. The two types of extraction processes are mining and brine extraction. Mining consists of open pit mining. Open pit mining removes natural habitats. It leaves large amounts of tailings, which is leftover product after the mining process, and the chemicals used to process it leach into the local water supplies. Brine processing takes a toll on the environment as well. It uses large amounts of water to process the brine. NIRA states that the brine has contaminated local water supply, and NIRA also states that the locals are saying that the air is contaminated as well. Another problem with lithium is that it is very reactive, burns very hot, and sometimes it explodes when it contacts water and gets extremely hot. There are very few recycling centers that can handle lithium recovery worldwide, and the US only has 2 currently. So finally, I want to share with you what the future looks like for lithium. Because of the Clean Air initiatives, we are phasing out fossil fuel vehicles. On Friday, October 28th of this year, 2022, the European Union voted to phase out the sale of new internal combustion vehicles by the year 2035. This was written by Taylor in an article published in the Washington Post. The United States will be doing the same by 2045. California is starting it early, and in 2025 they're going to start phasing out all passenger vehicles, and 2035 they will be phasing out heavy highway vehicles. So in conclusion, lithium is a necessary evil for making our air cleaner and our lives more convenient. Also, this will help reduce global warming in the long term. We need to be diligent, and we need to be more active with lithium recovery for this to work. There are other options available, but they have drawbacks as well, some worse than others. Lithium, because of its energy to density ratio, is the best alternative for electric vehicles that we have moving forward currently. That's all I have. Thank you for listening.